Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Ritter R200E face frame clamp. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been cleaned and checked. This is a Ritter 200E face frame clamp, 5’12 easel, dual gantry. It's going to allow you to double your productivity. Completely cleaned and checked. What do we mean by that? We mean that all the squaring channel has been cleaned of glue. The easel is cleaned of glue. So everything that you see here, it's all nice and clean. You're not going to have to scrape. You're not going to have to do any work when you get this machine. There are no air leaks. It does have a good regulator. Your gantries do move easily. And all your clamps do work. May not seem like a big deal, but sometimes these Humphrey valves are bad. Sometimes you're missing your rubber feet. Broken push to connects. I mean, this one is complete and again in full working order. There's no internal bypasses in these cylinders, so you're not going to hear leaks in either direction, whether they're forward or reverse. Again, a hard to find dual gantry R200E face frame clamp. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.